Get ready to experience India's most powerful rocket, the LVM-3, like never before. This 1:50 scale model captures the grandeur and precision of the real LVM-3. With our interactive kiosk, available in different languages, you can explore every part of the rocket and discover how each section works. At first, all you see is the outer shell. But here's where the magic happens. The moment you explore a section, hidden layers light up to reveal the inside, as if you're looking through the rocket itself. And it's not just interactive, it also comes with a standalone light and sound experience that thrills every visitor. This exhibit can be extended to other rocket models too. So what are you waiting for? Bring home the wonder of Indian space and let the LVM-3 inspire the explorer in you. Contact us now at info@museuminteractives.in.